Hyperbola, Part 3.
Hello everyone. In this session, we will discuss few 4 marks problems. So these are very important for annual examination. సో ఈ వీడియో స్కిప్ చేయకుండా ఎండ్ వరకు చూడండి. అలాగే మన ఛానల్ ఇంకా సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేసుకునే వాళ్ళు ప్లీజ్ సబ్స్క్రైబ్ అవర్ యూట్యూబ్ ఛానల్. సో వితౌట్ డిలే కమింగ్ టు టాపిక్, ఫైండ్ సెంటర్, foci, eccentricity, equation of directrix and length of latex rectum of the following hyperbolas. See the first one. The given hyperbola equation is x square minus 4y square is equals to 4. We know that the equation of the hyperbola x square by a square minus y square by b square equals to 1. That is the equation of the standard form of hyperbola. And for conjugate hyperbola, right hand side value is minus 1. Here we need to make the right hand side value should be 1. For that we can divide the equation with 4. That is x square by 4 minus 4y square by 4, which is equals to 4 by 4. Now which becomes x square by 4 can be written as 2 square minus 4 get cancelled, y square by 1 can be written as 1 square, which is equal to 4 cancel 1. Clearly this is of the form x square by a square minus y square by b square equals to 1. So comparing the above equation with x square by a square minus y square by b square is equals to 1. Clearly what is the value of a? 2. So a equals to 2 and b is equals to 1. Similarly a square is equals to what? 4 and b square is equals to 1. First to find the center of the hyperbola. We know that center. So center of the standard form of the hyperbola is always 0, 0. C 0, 0. Next foci. We know that the foci formula is plus or minus AE, 0. So before that we can find the eccentricity of the hyperbola. See here eccentricity, that is E equals to under root of a square plus b square divided by a square. This is the eccentricity of the hyperbola. Clearly which is equal to square root of, what is a square value? 4 plus b square value 1 divided by 4. So clearly eccentricity is what? Root 5 by 2. So next we can find foci. We know that foci formula is plus or minus AE, 0. So which is equals to plus or minus, what is A value? 2 into E value root 5 by 2, 0. So 2 get cancelled. So what are the foci? Plus or minus root 5, 0. So next you can find equation of directrix. So here we know that equation of directrix, that equals to x is equal to plus or minus a by e. Clearly x is equals to what? Plus or minus, what is a value? 2. 2 divided by, what is e value? Root 5 by 2. Now this 2 goes to numerator. This becomes x is equal to plus or minus 4 by root 5. So these are the equation of the directrix. Next one, length of the latest rectum. That means simply LLR, which is equals to 2b square by a, which is equals to 2 into, what is b square value? 1 divided by a value again 2. So 2 get cancelled, length of the latest rectum is 1. So next second one, 16y square minus 9x square equals to 144. So here also we need to make the right hand side value should be 1. So we should divide the given equation with 144. That is 16y square by 144 minus 9x square by 144, which is equals to 144 by 144. Clearly 144 get cancelled. 9 ones, 9 sixteens, 16 ones, 16 nines. Clearly, which is what? Y square by 9. 9 can be written as 3 square minus x square by 16. 16 write as 4 square, which is equals to 1. Now we can take minus is common. So this becomes, or write reverse, x square by 4 square minus y square by 3 square, which is equals to minus 1. Clearly the right hand side value is minus 1. So this is the conjugate hyperbola. So for this we can find center, foci, eccentricity, equation of directrix and length of lattice rectum. So clearly comparing the given equation with x square by a square minus y square by b square is equals to minus 1. So what is a square value? 4 square. A is equals to 4 and b square value is 3 square. So b is equal to 3. First we can find center. We know that the center of the hyperbola is always 0 comma 0. Next, eccentricity. So E is equals to, what is the formula? Under root b square plus a square by b square. So which is equal to square root of, what is b square value? 9 plus a square value 4 square, that is 16, divided by b square again 9. So this is what? Root 25 by 9, which is equals to 5 by 3. So eccentricity value is 5 by 3. Next you can find foci. We know that foci formula is what? 0 comma plus or minus BE. So which is equal to 0 comma plus or minus, what is B value? 3 into E value 5 by 3. Clearly 3 get cancelled. Therefore what are the foci? 0 comma plus or minus 5. Next you can find the equation of directrix. We know that this formula is y is equals to plus or minus b by g. Okay, so y is equals to plus or minus, what is b value? 3 divided by e. E is what? 5 by 3. This 3 goes to numerator. Clearly y is equal to plus or minus 3 are 9 divided by 5. Next you can find the length of lattice rectum. So we know that length of lattice rectum is equals to 2a square by b, which is equals to into, what is a square value? 16 divided by b value, what is b? 3. Clearly the length of lattice rectum is 32 divided by 3. So next question number 3. 9x square minus 16y square plus 72x minus 32y minus 16 equal to 0. Here also you can find the same center, foci, eccentricity, equation of directrix and LLR. So clear, but this is not standard form. So here we have both x coefficient, y coefficient and constant. So clearly in that case the center is shifted to some point h comma k. So we can write the given equation is of the form x minus h whole square by a square minus y minus k whole square by b square, which is equals to 1 or minus 1 based on the given question. Now first write the x terms. See here in the x terms 9x square 72x. So what is the x square coefficient? 9. So we can take 9 is common. So that is 9 of x square plus 9 eighths, that is 8x. And see the y square terms, minus 16y square minus 32y. So what is the quotient of y square? Minus 16. So minus 16 is common, that is y square plus 16 2's y. And what is the constant? Minus 16 equals to 0. Clearly we can change the x square plus 8x and y square plus 2y into perfect squares. So here that is 9 into, for changing into perfect square we can write This is what? X square. You can write x. In between plus. So here also write plus. And write the half value of 8. So when will you get half term? Divide with 2. So 8 by 2 is what? 4. Square of whole term minus square of the second term. That is 4 square is 16. Bracket close. And go for next. Minus 16 into. Here also y in between plus only write plus. What is the half value of 2? 2 divided by 2 is 1. Y plus 1 whole square minus square of 1. That is 1. Minus 16 equals to 0. Now multiplying 9 inside of the bracket. So which is 9 into x plus 4 whole square minus 9 into 16. That is 144. Next, minus 16 into y plus 1 whole square. Minus 16 into minus 1. That is plus 16. Minus 16 equals to 0. Plus 16 minus 16 get cancelled. Now we can send minus 144 to right hand side. It becomes plus 144. So which is 9 into x plus 4 whole square minus 16 into y plus 1 whole square, which is equals to 144. So clearly right hand side value is 144. We need to make 1. Divide the given equation with 144. That is 9 into x plus 4 whole square by 144. Next, minus 16 into y plus 1 whole square by 144 minus 144 by 144 or equals to 144 by 144. Clearly 144 get cancelled. 9 ones, 9 16s. 16 ones, 16 nines. Clearly this can be written as x plus 4 write as x minus of minus 4 whole square. Divide by 16 write as 4 square. Minus y plus 1 write as y minus of minus 1 whole square. Divide by 9 write as 3 square, which is equals to 1. Now clearly this is of the form x minus h whole square by a square minus y minus k whole square by b square equals to 1. Clearly what is h value? Minus 4 and k value minus 1. So write h is equal to minus 4 and k is equal to minus 1. And what is a square value? 16 and b square is equals to 9. From this a is equal to 4 and b is equal to 3. So first we can find the center. So what is the center of the hyperbola? CH comma K. What is H? Minus 4 and K is minus 1. So therefore which is equals to minus 4 comma minus 1. Next one, eccentricity. We know that eccentricity doesn't change, that is under root a square plus b square by a square, which is equals to under root a square value 16 plus b square 9 divided by a square 16. This is root 25 by 16. You can write as 5 by 4. Next you can find Foci. We know that what is the Foci formula? H plus or minus AG comma K. Because of your origin is shifted to some point H comma K. Now which is, what is H? Minus 4 plus or minus A into G. A value 4 and what is E value? 5 by 4 comma K. K is what? Minus 1. So clearly 4 get cancelled, which is what? We have two possibilities. One is plus and second one minus. First minus 4 plus 5. 1 comma minus 1. Next you can take negative. Minus 4 minus 5. Minus 9 comma minus 1. So these are Foci. Next one, equation of directrix. We know that what is the directrix equation? x is equal to h plus or minus a by e. So x is equal to, what is h value? H is minus 4 plus or minus a. 4 divided by e. E is what? 5 by 4. Now clearly which is equals to, x is equals to minus 4 plus or minus 4 4 ja 16 divided by 5. So here also two possibilities. That is x is equal to minus 4 plus 16 by 5 comma minus 4 minus 16 by 5. So therefore x is equals to, what is the LCM? 5. 5 into minus 4, minus 20 plus 16, that is minus 4. Next, again what is the LCM? 5 minus 20 minus 16 minus 36. Therefore what are the directrix equation? Cross multiplication. 5x is equal to minus 4. Here 5x is equal to minus 36. Therefore 5x plus 4 equal to 0 and 5x plus 36 equal to 0. So these are the equation of the directrix. So next, last one, length of the lattice rectum. We know that length of lattice rectum is equals to what? 2b square by a, which is 2 into, what is b square value? 9 divided by a value 4. 2 ones, 2 twos. What is the length of lattice rectum? 9 by 2. Try to solve question number 4. So this is similar to the question number 3. For next session, we will discuss more concept and problems. ఈ వీడియోలో మీకు ఏమైనా డౌట్స్ ఉంటే ప్లీజ్ కామెంట్ చేయండి. అలాగే ఈ వీడియో నచ్చినట్లయితే లైక్ అండ్ షేర్ చేయండి. సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేయడం మాత్రం మర్చిపోకండి. థ్యాంక్ యూ.